Hi, I need some information regarding GoPro Hero 11.
GoPro Hero 11 is an action camera that records 5.3K at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps. It has a maximum of 8x slow-mo with hypersmooth stability of 5.0.
Does it come with any complimentary accessories?
Yes, it comes with free inclusions like 2 batteries, a USB cable, a battery charger, 1 selfie stick, 132GB SD card, 2 screws and a base mount.
How big is the selfie stick?
You can extend the selfie stick up to 120 centimeters.
Can we use it at night?
Yes, you can use GoPro at night, but you will need a Creator Edition which comes with a Volta grip and a light mode.
How long does it take to charge the camera?
GoPro charges up to 80% within an hour. Also, you can connect it to a power bank for charging the GoPro.
Is it waterproof?
Yes, GoPro is waterproof up to 10 meters. But if you want to go below 10 meters, you will need a scuba case which is used for scuba diving.
How many photos and videos I can take with a 32GB SD card?
With 32GB SD card, you can take more than 2000 videos and an hour-long video, but it varies upon the settings of the device.
Can we connect a 3.5mm mic with the GoPro?
Yes, you can connect the mic to the GoPro using a medium mod which is available at SharePal.
How many shooting modes are there in the camera?
This camera comes with 3 modes which are video mode, photo mode and a time-lapse mode.
Can we do vlogging with the camera?
Yes, you can use this for vlogging as it comes with the front screen and a back screen.